Yep, I'm El Proto, and today I want to show you um, something I did with a kick sample, and let's just hear the beat. Okay, this is a song by our all one great African rock band, and I noticed that the kick was somehow it was like it was scattered. Let me show you how it works. So it was like it was just scattered everywhere, and so I just came to the out point here and tightened it up. Let's hear it first. Let me take it out, hear it before. It's like it's in a hole, it's like it's scattered, somehow. Let me increase the out point. Yeah, the kick. Out. In. It's back in. So you see that the kick is tighter, and just by increasing the out point. So how I got here, I went to the kick and I left click once, just left click. I got to this stuff right here. So I just increased the out point all the way up. And so if I should increase the in point, you hear it. Let's increase the in point so that you hear it. So that's the kick. So it kind of take out the beginning side of the sample, while the out point take out the end part. So let me play it only the kick. So you can hear it. It's like it's scattered. I think the thing is just all over the place. When I increase the out point, now listen to it. Take it down so that you hear it. Back in, take up the input, the out point. So hopefully you heard that it was tighter, it was nicer. When it goes with the bass, you see that it's more beautiful. It's not like scattered all over the place and like that. So it's just taking away that the extra part of the sample that I don't need. You don't need to do this for all your jobs, but it's just something that I found useful for this song, all one. So this song is coming out very soon, and I'll share it with you when it comes up. Like the video if you like it, and share it to a friend, or share it on your social media platform. It will be I'll be very grateful, and it will be very nice, and it will help us a lot. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. I'm the Proto. This is Outpoint Pro Studio. That's it.
So bright where I go.